Hi, I'm Katie with the Frain Group. Today we're demonstrating a fully integrated bottling line. Lines like these are capable of running many different products and a wide variety of container sizes, such as the ones you see here. Today we will be running this bottle at 50 bottles per minute. The empty bottles accumulate at the beginning of the line. From there, they enter a rotary overflow filler. The bottles then go through a 6-spindle quill capper. A tamper-evident seal is then applied using an induction sealer. A coat is then applied to the bottle before entering the wraparound labeler. The bottles then head into a case packer, pack-off station, and case sealer.